In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable notifications in Monday.com fast and easy. We'll take you through each step to ensure you never miss an update or a deadline again. So whether you're managing projects, coordinating with your team, or tracking tasks, knowing how to efficiently set up your notifications is crucial. Let's dive right into it. First, what you need to do is look towards the top right corner of your Monday.com screen. You'll see your profile photo up there. Clicking on your profile photo is going to be our first step. Now, this might seem simple, but it's your gateway to accessing many of your personal settings on the platform. Once you click, a drop-down menu will appear. Next, from the list of options in the drop-down menu, you'll want to select My Profile. It should be right there, among other options that let you manage your account. This profile section is where you can control most aspects of your Monday.com experience, tailoring it to fit your unique needs. After selecting My Profile, you're going to find yourself in a new area. Here, you'll want to navigate over to the Notifications tab. This is your control center for all things related to alerts and notifications you'll receive from Monday.com. It's important to understand that notifications are how the platform keeps you updated on what's happening with your tasks and projects. So giving some attention to how you set them up will be really beneficial in the long run. Now that you're in the Notifications tab, it's time to customize your settings. You have the option to turn on email notifications, desktop notifications, or even mobile notifications. Depending on where you spend the most time, you might want to make different choices. If you're often on the go and rely heavily on your smartphone, mobile notifications could be the most effective. On the other hand, if you're usually glued to your desktop notifications might be preferable. Moreover, setting up email notifications ensures you'll get updates directly to your inbox, which can serve as a great backup and reminder. A few things to keep in mind. Consider your daily habits. If you find too many notifications disruptive, perhaps focus on the most critical ones, or set specific timeframes when notifications should come through. Each type of notification setting serves a unique purpose. While desktop notifications offer immediate alerts as you work, email notifications help in archiving communication for later review. Balancing these notifications according to your work style is key. And just like that, you're all set. You've enabled notifications on your Monday.com account swiftly and efficiently. As project management tools continue to evolve, it's these small settings that can make a big difference in how effectively you manage your time and tasks. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this guide has been helpful.